Hello, day 15 of October overhaul, and it is a chill day. It is a good day, relaxing day. Not much going on. We lost the keys, so we can't drive to do anything right now anyway, but it's raining, so it's kind of a stay inside and chill day, and I think that's why, the universe says just chill out today, Alright. Thank you, universe. Thank you. It's peaceful going. Not much happening. It's a little late in the afternoon, so I took a while to get going, but I'm still going, I'm probably gonna pick up some steam in a little while. About to have a nice meal. Hubby is making some nice food. Had a green smoothie this morning with vegan protein and super greens, some banana and coconut water, some fruit. Yeah, I just, I'm going, just chilling. Not much. I think things are finally starting to become consistent, like habitual. I think the habits are starting to actually set in, because now I just find, I've been sitting too long, I need to get up, stretch, and I just stretch, and I start slow, just chilling, not going fast, just moving through things, and it feels good. Yeah, it feels good. It's funny to have so much energy, but to, not be able to do much with it, because it's raining, so we gotta stay inside, but my son hates when I'm out of the room. He just gets angry. I love him. Life is good, I'm not feeling like I'm trying to survive right now. I feel like, I'm building my empire, And my hair looks so good. I feel really good about myself. I'm chilling in super comfies. I'm just not chilling and appreciating everything that I have. So grateful for my husband. He's just my best friend. He's chill. He's awesome. And it feels good to be just consistent with myself, Yesterday got dressed up and did my makeup and took some selfies and just, hooped and had fun just to do so, and it was enjoyable just to do stuff like that for yourself. To do stuff like that for myself, that's a very big thing for me, so it's very enjoyable. Yeah. I love just listening to life happen around me. Well, there's not much to report today. It's kind of hazy. I'm hungry. About to eat good food anyway, right now. I just want to make sure I got my video in, and it's just a chill day. So, thank you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.